Did you know that microscopic bacteria in southern African soil are secretly engineering entire ecosystems? These tiny superheroes are transforming our planet right under our feet, deep within the vast plains of southern Africa. An incredible partnership is unfolding between soil and sky. Specialized bacteria known as nitrogen fixers work tirelessly in hidden microhabitats, performing what scientists call natural alchemy. They capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into nutrients that plants can actually use. It's like they're running tiny underground factories that produce natural fertilizer. These remarkable microbes don't work alone. They're part of an intricate dance of biogeochemical cycles, where water, soil, and living organisms constantly exchange vital nutrients. Recent research has uncovered that these bacterial communities are far more sophisticated than previously thought. They create complex networks that can adapt to changing conditions, making them crucial players in maintaining ecosystem health. What's truly fascinating is how these microscopic processes impact the bigger picture. As climate change threatens to alter rainfall patterns and soil conditions across southern Africa, these bacteria might hold the key to ecosystem resilience. They're nature's insurance policy, helping landscapes adapt and survive in challenging conditions. Want to know how these invisible heroes might save our planet's future? Drop a comment with your thoughts on how we could harness this natural technology